If you've been wondering how to import components in Tinkercad Circuits, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple way to find built-in parts, search for specific components, and understand what Tinkercad does and does not support when it comes to custom parts. This is perfect if you're building a circuit and want to save time instead of scrolling through every single component manually. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. First, open Tinkercad and go into Circuits. Once you're inside the workspace, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see the Components panel, and right at the top, there's a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and make sure you select All. This is important because it shows you the full list of built-in components available in Tinkercad Circuits. If you leave it on a narrower category, you might think a part is missing when it's actually just hidden by the filter. Now that you can see the full library, the fastest way to find a part is to use the search bar at the top of the Components panel. Let's say you need an arduino, a resistor, a capacitor, or any other common part. Just type the name into the search bar and Tinkercad will filter the results instantly. This is the easiest way to locate components without wasting time scrolling through the entire list. Once you find the component you want, simply click and drag it onto your workspace. That drag and drop action is how you add parts into your circuit. After placing it, you can rotate it, reposition it, and connect it with wires just like any other component in your design. It's a very simple workflow, but once you get used to it, building circuits becomes much faster. Now, let's clear up something important. Tinkercad Circuits does not support importing external circuit files directly, like .brd or .fcz files. So if you're trying to bring in a complete circuit from another program, Tinkercad won't open it as a direct import. That can be confusing at first, but it's good to know so you don't waste time looking for a feature that isn't there. If you found a custom component in the Tinkercad community, the process is a little different. For example, if someone like DrakerDG created and shared a part in a community project, you may need to drag it from that shared project into your own workspace if Tinkercad allows it, or search for it inside the component library if it has been published as a custom part. In other words, you're not importing an external file in the traditional sense. You're either reusing a shared community component or finding it through the built-in search. So the key steps are really simple. Go to the Components dropdown, select All, use the search bar to find what you need, and drag the component into your workspace. That's the basic method for adding parts in Tinkercad Circuits. Once you know this, it becomes much easier to build and test your projects without getting stuck. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Tinkercad tips, beginner tutorials, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.